Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, pero tumutunog yung air raid alarms. So we're gonna find out what we're supposed to do. Ang gagawin ko is I'll walk back to my hotel. And yeah, there's an announcement. Parang okay naman yung mga tao. I don't know what we're supposed to do. So this is Lviv. Medyo nasa western part siya ng Ukraine. So actually malayo siya dun sa front line. This is the first major city that you get to after getting past the border with Poland. So okay, I'm walking. The reason why sa hotel ako magtatanong is because marami sa mga tao dito hindi sila marunong mag-English. So I'm generally following ano yung direction ng mga tao na naglalakad. So ang instruction sa amin is dapat when you hear these air raid alarms, sorry, I didn't think, sorry, may very very slight panic lang. And hindi ko lang kung narinig niya. People seem to be carrying on their business lang. Seem to be just not very unbothered actually. Ito na ako sa hotel. So I'll ask them. Hello. So I'm one of the ones who were checked in here earlier. I'm a journalist. I wanted to ask, so the air raid alarm sounded. So what are we supposed to do when that happens?
We're supposed to go to the bomb shelter.
Okay. But people aren't going. We don't go anymore. It's up to you, right?
It's your choice.
I see.
It's up to you.
But is there a bomb shelter here in the hotel?
Yes.
Honestly, just for the camera, because this is going to be a report for back home in the Philippines, can you show me where the bomb shelter is? If that's okay? Yeah? Thank you.
Sure.
So, yun, yung hindi, parang yung practice ng mga tao, hindi na sila bumababa masyado sa bomb shelter. Like, they just really carried on. But, si ma'am here showing me asan yung bomb shelter. Oh, here it is.
Here?
Oh, this is it.
We have also two another rooms. I can show
Okay.
you. It's like underground, so it's almost safe.
I see.
Go.
Oh, here we are. Oh, there's a cat.
Sofas and chairs and
I see.
all for the comfort.
Oh, thank you very much for showing me. But since you guys you don't seem to be so scared anymore.
We
You don't run anymore. Okay.
You know, it's not at all time a danger.
Mm-hmm. So how do you know when it's serious? Like when do you know that you have to
We
run?
have news in Telegram maybe.
I
We
see.
can read if it's a real danger.
I see. So what happened was my app alarmed. So that one is not necessarily urgent.
We have an error. We can hear it.
Okay.
It's written in the news.
Mm-hmm. I see.
And we have also a restaurant. You can see it's also like underground.
Yes,
And
yes.
you can stay here.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. No, it's okay. Thank you, sir. I just wanted to ask where the bomb shelter is, because actually I'm a journalist, so I was walking around and then the air raid alarm sounded. So I was just curious like what we're supposed to do when that happens. So yeah, so thank you so much. Okay, so lalabas na ako ulit. Everything looks normal out. Let me repeat what I said before I flip the camera. Everything seems normal outside, like people are just walking around. Ayan. Tumigil na rin yung sound. So hindi ko napakita sa inyo kasi syempre gamit ko yung phone ko. So meaning when the alert sounded, I couldn't switch to the camera and show you because the app alert was on my phone. Ito yung isa sa mga apps na ginagamit ng mga taga-Ukraine, yung U-Alert, okay? So, nagbibigay siya ng abiso kung saan merong mga imminent na air raids. And how it works is, you will select asan mga locations yung gusto mong makatanggap ng alerts. So, in this case, nandito na ako sa Kyiv. So, ayan, i-select natin yung Kyiv. Okay. Tapos ganito siya, I will run the self-test which simulates what happens. Okay, so ganun siya. Sa February 24, saktong 2 taon na ang full-scale invasion ng Russia sa Ukraine. Kung i-observe natin sila, parang kinakaya na nila yung ganitong klaseng buhay. Pero hindi naman tama na hayaan na lang natin na lagi silang ganito, di ba?